International Space Station completed its 90-degree yaw maneuver almost to the second on the timeline that was laid out in the preparation for this activity, beginning that yaw maneuver at 1:55 a.m. Central Time, completing it at 2:26 a.m. Central Time. So with the station in the proper orientation, pilot Doug Hurley now initiating his half-lap fly-around. This will put Atlantis at a radial distance of about 670 feet away from the station. He will first fly to a point, basically in a reverse flip, if you will, to a point about 670 feet directly above the station, then behind the station, where the first of two firings of reaction control system jets will take place. The SEP-1 burn to take place at a point about 670 feet on the velocity vector, but directly behind the complex, and then the final separation burn to depart the International Space Station for the last time, occurring at a point at which Atlantis will be directly below the station. A very good view of the International Space Station. On the far left, docked to the aft end of the Zvezda service module, that is the ISS Progress 43 resupply ship that arrived at the International Space Station on June 23rd. The two vehicles that are docked at opposite ports vertically to the longitudinal axis of the station. The space-facing side belongs to the Poisk module. Docked to the zenith port of the service module is the Poisk. That is the 26 Soyuz vehicle that arrived on April 6th, or the Soyuz TMA-21. That is the vehicle for Andrei Botasenko, Alexander Samokrutyaev, and Ron Garin. Directly opposite that, on the Earth-facing port, that is the Piers docking compartment. That is the residence at the moment for the ISS Progress 42 resupply ship that arrived on April 29th. And next to it, sort of in the middle of the longitudinal axis, that is the Rosviet module, and the home of the 27 Soyuz vehicle, or the Soyuz TMA-02M spacecraft that delivered Sergei Volkov, Satoshi Furukawa, and Mike Fossum to the International Space Station in early June.